Alright, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to clean out your PS3. If you didn't know this trick, I'm showing it to you now. I have the PS3 Slim right here. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna remove this cable, the power cable from the back. You're gonna remove it, and you're gonna hold down this button and plug it back in. Basically, what you're gonna do is hold this button down and plug in the power adapter. As you can hear, the air is blowing out. So yeah, that's basically what you do, and then you let it finish. It takes maybe a couple minutes. Let it cut off. Now what you do to start your game up, unplug it again, plug it back in, and your system just cut it on normal. Like that. Like that. So yeah. And that's how you clean your PS3.